Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. That means here we have drawn a circle with a center O and a tangent is drawn at the point of contact P. We need to prove the perpendicular to the tangent is passing through the center. That means if we are drawing a perpendicular here, it should passing through the center. We know it is right because we have studied in theorem 1 the perpendicular is the radius and we know the radius is passing through the center. But here we are going to prove this by using contradiction method. See the second figure, here also I have drawn the same figure, but this time I have taken another point O dash also and joined that O dash P. So this is a circle with the center O. AB is the tangent, P is the point of contact, OP is the radius, and we are assuming the perpendicular is not passing through this O. That means the perpendicular is passing through this O dash. Then what will happen? Let us check it. Let O be the center of the circle and AB be the tangent. We have to prove that perpendicular at P to AB passes through O. Let the perpendicular at P to AB does not pass through O. Suppose it passes through O dash. Join OP and O dash P. Tangent at P passes through O dash. Therefore, O dash PB equal to 90 degree. In the question it is given the perpendicular at the point of contact. Now we are assuming this O dash P is the perpendicular. So since it is perpendicular, this O dash PB equal to 90 degree. The radius is perpendicular to tangent, therefore OPB equal to 90 degree. We know radius is perpendicular to tangent. So OPB also equal to 90 degree. So from 1 and 2 we get O dash PB equal to OPB. From 1 and 2 we proved this angle OPB and angle O dash PB both are equal. It is not possible in the present situation. It will be possible only if this O dash and O are on the same line. Otherwise, it is not possible. So, it is possible only when OP and O dash P coincident lines. That means both are on the same line. So we can conclude, therefore, the perpendicular drawn at P passes through the center O. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt,